Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. So let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe off with 1 stick of butter, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and then I'm going to give that a mix till it's nice and creamed. I've got 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm going to give that another mix till it's well combined. 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And I'm going to give that another mix until I can't see any more flour. Be careful not to overmix. In a separate bowl, I have 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to give those a mix. I'm going to portion my cookies out into 12 balls, and I'm going to roll those into the sugar mixture. I'm going to refrigerate my cookies for 20 minutes, and I've also got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these cookies for 11 minutes and turn the tray halfway through, and look at how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.